Hello everyone and welcome to the final episode of this 5-video series about how to do product research with Helium10. Now for this final episode I'm going to demonstrate to you how you analyse the search results from page 1 from your keyword search. Now in the last episode we used our black box keyword method to give us the keyword tea bags for loose leaf tea, which is a long tail keyword with a lot of traffic. And we started to look at page 1 and see there's a good variety of designs and amounts, which is exactly what you are looking for. So now let's have a scroll through this page and see what else we can find. Okay, here we go. Brilliant. Already a very big variety of different images, different designs, and also you can see that all the top listings are selling in the thousands, which is very good, because if the entire market was dominated by one single listing, this would be something to avoid, because it's very hard to actually squeeze into these marketplaces and try to get sales when all the sales are going to one product listing, unless you have a very unique idea where you can clearly beat them. So obviously don't let that completely discourage you from doing it, but especially as a beginner, we want to keep things simple and ensure your best chances at success. So let's keep scrolling through. Yeah, we have 1,000, 9,000, 6,000, 1,000 all bought in the last month. And we got, $4.98, $5.99, $9.99. So that's a very good range of prices, which is exactly what you are looking for. Let's keep going. Brilliant. We have 1,000 pieces, 400, 100, $17.99, $11.99, $8.99. And even at $17.99, this listing is selling 1,000, and they've still sold 200 in the last month, which, even though it's less units because they're $17.99, that's still very good. So each time you're analysing a keyword search result that you've pulled from Helium10, you need to spend time going through the whole of page 1, looking at all these search results. And as you can see from this video, the further you go down, you can see there's more and more variety and more products. And especially for this example, I've gone all the way down to about halfway now, and still there's listings selling 900, 2,000, 1,000, 800, and they've all got different designs. So, this one's actually a tea strainer. So obviously that's a different product, but it is still ranking for this. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't sell this product. It just means there's a good variety. And it's actually a very good example, because if a tea strainer could rank on page 1 for this keyword, if you're actually doing the correct product, which was tea bags for loose leaf, then you're definitely going to rank on this page. So again, this is only for hypothetical purposes, and always do your own research. And remember, this is not financial advice, but it's all about getting you in the mindset of how to analyse each page 1 search result for each keyword on Amazon. And this is exactly how to do product research with Helium10. Here at Freedom Pass, we want to help you become a success for as small of an upfront cost as possible. So we have partnered with Helium10, and if you click the link in the description, you can use the code FreedomPass10 for 10% off forever. Or if you use the code FreedomPass20, you can get 20% off for the first 6 months. Unlock the power of Helium10 at a fraction of the cost. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more information like this. So I'll see you in the next one.